the Timberwolf treasures. Come on in and stay a while. We got that magic glitter, making everybody smile.
Greetings and welcome to Timberwolf Treasures. My name's Colleen and I'm from Calgary, Alberta, Canada. We're going to be making a necklace today. So it's going to be using UV resin. So I've got Let's Resin UV resin. We're going to be using some gemstones in it. So I have polished gemstone chips obsidian. And this one I just got off of Temu. It just says red and green stone chips. I think they're pretty, so I'm still going to give them a shot. Even if they don't have a fancy name, I don't mind. Then I've got Roleo pigments in Snowflake. I think that's going to be pretty. And a tiny little bit, I've got some Silver Sparkle Bling, it says, from Michaels. And then my old dependable resin mold. See, when you get one that is, and I saw it on Amazon for about $8, so it's not bad at all. And you can use it because it has so many different designs on it, like shapes and sizes and everything. You can make all sorts of things with it. So we're going to try to make a fun little design today. So I'm thinking, kind of heading towards the circle one today. I don't make many of these ones, so let's give it a shot. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a thin layer on the bottom so I get a nice shiny coat, top coat for the final project. Okay, so I just use this little rubber thing to make sure there's no bubbles, and using my lighter. You try to keep it away from the mold, but if you just go across it really lightly, you will get rid of any of the bubbles that are on the top. So then I'm going to do just a quick little set with my Let's Resin. You can see it's got a lot of miles on it. Still works wonderful. And they usually last, if you get a good one with good quality. I'm not saying you have to go expensive. I'm just saying, like the Let's Resin one I've had no problems with. I have bought a couple more inexpensive ones. They last about 6 months. That's okay. This one seems to be going very well. And it's got 2 minutes, 3 minutes, and 5 minutes on it. Okay, so I just wanted the top coat. Like, this is going to be the top of the ornament. I just wanted it so it's nice and shiny. So now I'm going to try to make a fun little design using the two different kinds. I hope this works. I do hope it works, but hey, the only way you learn if you can do something is by trying. So sometimes you just got to try. So I'm going to start with the obsidian. And I'm just going to put some right down the middle, because that's my plan for this. Hoping it'll work, and if it doesn't, I learn from the experience and keep on trying. And while I'm working on this, I want to thank everyone for stopping by and checking out what I'm creating today. I appreciate each and every one of you. Very happy to announce that we just got to the point where we can start having members on our channel. YouTube has given us the go-ahead. So if you like watching our channel, come support us, become part of the membership. There is very cost-effective, like they're not expensive. I don't want you to think that you won't be able to afford it. They're all quite reasonable priced, and we're going to have a lot of fun because our original plan was to create the wolf pack. Let's get a bunch of people who just want to have fun. So we're still starting, we're still learning. I'm just trying to make this kind of look like a tree. I don't know if anyone wants to wear a tree, but if I can make a tree, which is a very basic design, then I can work from there. That's my thought, at least. Yes, in the middle of the night, I thought of it. You ever wake up and like, oh, I should try this? Oh, I'm bad for that. I will admit I tend to do stuff like that all the time. So there it is. Very basic, very simple. Still going to try to get rid of all the possible bubbles, and I'm going to give it a quick cure. So while that level's doing just a quick cure, I'm going to make my background that I'm hoping is going to make everything pop. So using my Let's Resin, I'm just going to make a little concoction here and see what comes. And the Roleo Snowflake, which is appropriate for a Canadian to be using, I'll admit it. So I want to thank each and every one of you for stopping by and checking out what I got going on. I appreciate every one of you. You have no idea. No idea. It's so exciting that people would actually stop by, spend some of their day to see what I've got going on. That's amazing. You are all in my debt. I love it. Okay, so I got some white, and I'm just going to put tiny little bit of silver because I just want to get a little shine coming through. So and I'm going to mix this all up and make sure that that's the color I was hoping for. When you're using mica powders, you want to make sure you get a good mix, because you can see on here I got a lot of clumps going on. You don't want that. That's not going to give you the finished project you want. You don't want a big clump of one color in the middle and take away from all the work that you've done. So you can see here I've got white, tiny little flecks of silver in there, which is exactly what I was thinking of. So that's good. And that should be long enough for that level to cure. So I've picked the green with the red just to kind of get another color in there, so it's not just basic. And then I'm going to put all this in there and hope I made enough. And if not, I'll make more. It's not hard. Just, let's get this all out. And you always, when you're working with ones that have these little things in them to help you make them into other items, the little, whatever it's called, knobby little thing, whatever. Just make sure that you have resin all the way around it, because you don't want to leave a gap there, because that'll just take away from all your creativity. Okay, so that looks good. So now I'm going to do a full cure. I'm going to do 2 minutes on the top, flip it over, do 2 minutes on the bottom to make sure all the layers, because I've got several layers going on, make sure it all cures, and then I'll be right back and we'll see how this finishes up. And we're back. Thank you for sticking around and seeing what's going on. I know it's only a second, but I still appreciate you being this far in the video and seeing what I created. But let's hope it worked out. Okay, so let's have a look. Okay, I always seem to have a little bit that I have to clean up. So that's not a big deal. So if you're just starting out, you have a little bit of rough edges around, don't worry about that. I'll show you how to clean that up. That's not a problem. So let's see. Oh, look at that. How fun is that? Okay, the silver pops out more than the white does, but I think it adds to it. Let me know. Oh my goodness, that is so fun. So all it is a little bit of UV resin and 2 different kinds of gemstones, a little sparkle. I think that I like that. That is nice. That is something my mom would love, gotta tell you. Like, she would. This is right up her alley. Give her some sparkle and some different colors. Love that. That turned out very well. So we're going to quickly clean this up. So you just take a deburring tool and just go around the outside, because you don't want any rough edges. You don't need a lot of strength to do that. Anyone who's watched my other channels know that I have problems with my hands, and I can still do it. So you just gotta, if you have a lot of problems, then you just get a Dremel tool and file around the outside, because I have one of those too, but they're a little loud for when I'm videotaping. You just figure out. Okay, so now I'm going to get rid of this, get it out of the way. I'm going to turn it into a necklace. So I've got the bail. I use just to help strengthen the situation. And let's put that in there and squeeze it together. And that's just, I gotta admit, sparkle makes everything better. Let's face it. Okay, so I just tighten it to make sure it doesn't fall out. Get these out of the way. You can buy these. This is just, you can buy them in bulk. Like, we're not talking 100. Like, I buy them off of Temu for 5, 10, 20, whatever. And let's just put it in. And I got a necklace. Well, thank you one and all for sticking around and seeing how this turned out. I appreciate all of you. This was kind of a fun little project. Didn't take a long time to create. And you can make any kind of design you like that you would, like, trees aren't you? That's okay. Make anything you like, but just a little creativity. And you can make any kind of fun thing like this. Thank you one and all for stopping by. I appreciate every one of you. Bye-bye.
Oh, you sat and watched the resin glow. Yeah, you saw the beauty start to grow. From the timber wolf den to your very own light, making treasures shine so bright.